Best adventure vacations in the U.S. From towering mountains to wild rivers, the U.S. is a playground for thrill seekers. Whether you're hiking, rafting, skiing, or diving, adventure awaits in every corner of the country. Get ready to explore. 1. Yellowstone National Park. Yellowstone has long been home to Native Americans, with 26 tribes having historic ties to the land. Today, its breathtaking natural wonders attract visitors from around the world. Spanning Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, the park offers scenic hiking trails leading to iconic spots like the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone and Mammoth Hot Springs. Not a fan of hiking? No problem. Biking, horseback riding, snowmobiling, and kayaking provide exciting alternatives. For an overnight adventure, camp at one of the park's designated sites or venture into the backcountry for a true wilderness experience. 2. Grand Canyon National Park. Arizona's Grand Canyon boasts an array of adrenaline-pumping activities, most notably hiking and whitewater rafting on the Colorado River. Chances are you won't see as many people along the challenging North Kaibab Trail. You're welcome to explore on your own, but for some of the best views, consider signing up for a guided excursion in a jeep, atop a mule, or in a helicopter. 3. Yosemite National Park. Yosemite National Park features mountains, meadows, massive sequoia trees, and plenty of waterfalls, all less than 170 miles east of San Francisco. Activities are similarly varied, ranging from birdwatching and stargazing to snowboarding and biking. Climbers will relish the opportunity to boulder and slackline throughout the California park. Meanwhile, novice and experienced hikers alike will find plenty of trails to trek, whether they want to explore mountains or valleys. Keep in mind, Yosemite's famous Half Dome hike is best suited for proficient hikers. 4. Jackson Hole. Jackson Hole, Wyoming, offers adventurous pursuits year-round. In winter and early spring, ski resorts boast plenty of powder for skiing, snowshoeing, and tubing. For a more relaxing outing, opt for a sleigh ride. In the warmer months, kayaking, whitewater rafting, or hiking in Grand Teton National Park is a must. And in fall, no visit would be complete without leaf peeping and listening to the bugle calls of wild elk in the National Elk Refuge. 5. Lake Tahoe. The beauty of this lake straddling the California-Nevada border is impossible to ignore. The picturesque peaks offer some of the best skiing in the country, both cross-country and downhill, while the crystal-clear lake is ideal for kayaking, canoeing, and boating. You'll also find plenty of other activities including disc golf, parasailing, hiking, and golf. For a different kind of thrill, try your luck at the casinos or in nearby Reno, Nevada. 6. Kauai. Filled with acres of misty rainforests, plummeting waterfalls, and oceanside cliffs, Kauai's opportunities for adventure are enough to excite even the most jaded visitor. Float on a tube down the Hawaiian Islands waterways, soar over the trees on a zip line, or hike through rainforests and along the rim of Waimea Canyon. Surfing is another can't-miss activity here. Poipu offers great waves for new surfers, while the North Shore's gnarly waves are made for expert athletes. 7. Maui. Like other Hawaiian islands, Maui offers a myriad of activities to get your blood pumping, from sea kayaking to helicopter tours to volcano hiking. But this is just the beginning. Head to Maui's northeast coast to admire roaring waterfalls, belching blowholes, and jagged peaks. And don't forget to spend time in the water. Visit Molokini for a colorful and exotic snorkeling experience, or suit up to go into the depths of the ocean during a scuba diving excursion. 8. Hawaii, the Big Island. The largest of Hawaii's islands boasts plenty of jungle to trek and not one, but 5 volcanoes, some of which are still active. Explore Mauna Loa and Kilauea, 2 of the active volcanoes, by hiking through Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Its 150 miles of trails wind through rainforests and volcanic craters, among other natural wonders. After your hike, cool off in the island's surrounding waters by snorkeling in Honaunau Bay, located about 20 miles south of Kona on the island's western shore. 9. Acadia National Park. There are ample opportunities for adventure in Maine's forested wilderness. If you're considering Acadia for your next family trip, note that the park's rocky trails can be challenging for little legs. However, there are several forest and coastal trails that are better suited for children, including the Jessup Path and Hemlock Path Loop, and the Wonderland Trail. Additionally, you and the kids will get a kick out of watching the park's harbor seals. 10. Adirondacks. This mountainous region in upstate New York has plenty to offer thrill seekers. Test the powder on Whiteface Mountain, navigate the area's waters in a canoe or test your climbing skills on one of numerous rock faces. While here, you'll also want to check out a few of the region's more unique offerings, such as the Lake Placid Olympic sites. At Mount Van Hoevenberg, fill your need for speed on its cliffside coaster or by partaking in bobsled rides. Then, try the zip line at the Olympic jumping complex to mimic the feeling of ski jumping.